G'day and welcome to BENSWORX. When I was a kid, my parents used to take me to this place called Thunderbird Park, and it was a place where you could walk around and try and find thunder eggs. You would walk through the mine and find all these rocks, and then you'd crack them open and see if there were crystals inside. So for this week's episode, I'm going to try and make myself a thunder egg by using some crushed opal. To make this thunder egg, I'm just going to use a piece of mallee burl. Now I've already got a few of these blanks cut and shaped, and I've gone ahead and painted a few of these black. So now I'm going to go ahead and take some opal and we'll put some colour on. For this project I'm going to use sleepy lavender and space titanium. In the past when I've made an opal egg, I've kind of just sprinkled the opal on top, and I found that it all kind of just floats away and moves and rolls around. So I think this time I'm going to mix it with some UV resin so I can stick it in place. I'm just going to mix this together with a toothpick and just make sure that all the opal is coated. I think I might just add a bit more to that. That looks a bit better. Now I'm just going to scoop it on and then move it around where I want it. I want to try and spread this out thinly, but I don't want to go too thin because you still want a good look on there, so I may have to mix up some more. So I ended up using 2 full packets. What do you guys think of that? That's pretty good coverage. I think it looks bloody unreal. I'm just going to put a final layer of UV resin on top, then I'm going to go stick it out in the sun. While that's outside drying, I'm going to do the same process with the space titanium. So I just gave that a coat of UV resin as well. Now I'm going to go pop this bad boy in the sun. You know when I made the dragon skin video and I used that greeny blue look? I really like that colour, and I've got a spare blank sitting here, so I think I might coat it with that. I'd love to make a whole dragon just out of this colour. It's really hard to pick up on camera, but the angle that you guys are looking at it, it's completely green, and the angle that I'm looking at it, it's completely blue. If anyone's interested on that colour, it's gold, green, purple, blue. My pieces are now all dry, so the next step is to cast, and to do that, I'll be using some art cast. So these blanks don't float while they're casting, I'm just going to glue them down with some UV resin. Look how beautiful that opal looks in there. These eggs are going to be amazing. So I'll just finish up pouring these last 2 and then I'll put them all in the pot. Check that out. That looks bloody awesome. I'm going to pop these in the pressure pot now to cure, and then I'm off to work. Check this out. There's our sleepy lavender opal, our space titanium, and I also did a couple of colour shifting ones. So the next step is to take these out of the cups, glue them to a waste block and turn them on the lathe. Now I'm going to let that glue dry overnight, then we'll put them on the lathe and start turning. Wow, how good is that? I'm speechless. I can't believe how well the opal worked. Sometimes I look at it and it's purple, other times it's blue. It just looks amazing. And what about the fire opal? This has got a heap of colours in it. I just didn't expect these were going to turn out this good. What do you guys think of the Thunder Eggs? Is it what you imagined? Let me know in the comments. And what about this color shifting one? How amazing does that look? Well, that's it for this week's episode. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. This egg really brought back some memories for me. It's exactly how I remember them. If any of you guys want to purchase this egg or any of my other eggs, I have them for sale on my Etsy store. I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.